Hi guys, this one that's 2006 Toyota Tacoma. If you guys hear noise in the back, check your lift. Look, this one broke right here. That's all your noise. All the noise that you guys hear, that's this one right here. That's exactly what happened. Yep. Look. That's how we find out. When he was driving it, he heard that noise like this. So we're gonna have to change it. So I'm gonna show you guys. I removed already the other one, and I'm gonna show you guys the difference between one and the other. The first thing you guys gonna need is to remove the bolt that goes right here. That's gonna be a 1/2 inch socket. This one right here. And you guys can use an impact, or you guys can use a wrench. That's for the bracket that goes right here. So you guys gonna have to remove this one, and you guys gonna have to remove the other one that go to the other side. So this line they have two brackets. They have this one right here, and they have the other one over there. And actually, you guys gonna have to remove these bolts right here, such as that's 90 millimeters, and you guys gonna use the impact, or you guys can use wrench or whatever you guys have it available. So I'm gonna use my impact to remove that one. I'm gonna remove the other one, but they have the one at the top. You guys gonna have to remove the one in the bottom. Leave the one in the top alone and remove the one in the bottom. After that, you guys gonna have to remove the ones for the U brackets, such as that's 4, and that's gonna be 90 millimeters as well. So that's these bolts right here, and the top. You guys gonna have to remove the cover. Actually, you guys gonna have to remove the tire, the spare tire, so that way you guys can have enough space to remove the bolts and to have more flexibility to work. I put my jacks under the car. You have to lift it from both sides. So I put the jacks, but please pull the stands. So I'm gonna go get my stands, pull my stands, and make sure I lift it and put it in my stands as well. Safety first, guys. So make sure you guys put the stands. So I have my jacks, but I'm gonna put my stands as well. You can do this at home. It takes maybe like 30 or 40 minutes to do it for each side. So pretty much you're gonna be 2 hours working on this baby. So let's see how long they're gonna take it. First thing we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna remove the clamps. So I'm gonna remove the first bracket, so that's this one. Remember, that's 1/2 inch. This one right here. So we're gonna remove the first bracket, so that way we can lose the hose and be able to have a more leverage. So let me remove the other one. So I'm gonna remove the second bracket. You guys can remove it with an impact. That's easy. You have plenty of room. So let me remove this one. So now you guys see that now like the hose is already loose. So I don't have to worry to damage it. So for the next one, we're gonna remove the ones that go the U clamps. So just that's what I mean, 90 millimeters. So they got over here on the bottom of the plate. So we wanna remove those. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these ones. And let me push a little forward so that way you guys can see exactly which one I'm gonna remove it right now. So I'm gonna remove these ones right here. So this one that's gonna be 90 millimeters, remember? So remove it all the way out. You don't need those. And that one that's gonna be the plate. That's a plate in the bottom holding it with the U clamps. And you have to remove the other weight. Remember that the lift I got, that's 3-1, and the lift they have, that's 2-1. So I had to buy a new U clamps, because if I was using the ones I have, there would be 2 chores, and And the plate, I'm gonna use the same plate. The plate, they have a mark, and the mark, like that's easy. Like try to put, they have like kind of like a mark in one side, so that way you can be able to remove it. This one doesn't come. They go on the top. They hold the U clamps. Let me show you where it goes. It goes right here. They have like a screw, like a bolt right there with a nut. And this part, they have a little hole right there, so that way you can see it on top of it. So giving a little shock, it goes on the top, and hold it U clamps. You see, this one that's all messed up, that's all broke. And as I mentioned it, if you guys hear that noise, make sure you guys check that one before you guys change something else, because that's gonna be your problem. So now we're gonna remove the other one. So that's the other bolt right there. So that one too as well, that's gonna be 19 millimeters. Usually you're gonna use only like half an inch, 17 to remove the shock, and you're gonna use the 19 millimeters. You need 3 sockets to do the job, plus the impact. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one. This one has the 19 millimeters. Those are the ones that go on the left hand side. So they have a nut in the back. So I'm holding it with my hands. So that way you guys, because if not, they're gonna keep turning and it's not gonna lose the bolt. Then let me push it to the other side. So I'm gonna go to do the other one, so that way you guys can see it. Sorry about that, guys, but I don't want you guys to miss anything. So I want to make sure that you guys do it, and you guys do it at home, and you guys saved, and you guys do the right way. Because that's a lot of times that's how I learn. I can follow directions, but I learn more when I'm watching how people do things. So let me remove this one. This one, that's easy, and remember that's gonna be 19 millimeters as well. So if you remove the bolt, remember you lift it a little bit, so you have a pressure in the spring lift. So you guys gonna have to put it down the jack, so that way you guys can release tension from the spring lift. So I'm gonna remove the absorber, such as this one. That's gonna be 17 millimeters. That's gonna be 17 millimeters to remove this one right here. And as you guys see, I have my jack holding holding it, push it in. So you guys remove this one. After you guys remove this one, I will you guys gonna be able to remove everything. So this one that is gonna give me like a little hard time. So make sure you push the shock down and start wiggling like a little bit, so that way you guys can be able to remove it. If not, you guys can use like a little metal screwdriver or something to put little leverage and be able to remove it. As you guys remove this one, you guys gonna have to drop the jack. You guys gonna have to drop the jack like a little bit, so that way it can drop the tension from that differential, whatever they call it, that thing. Remember, I'm learning. I'm really bad in parts. You guys see, I'm dropping it now, so my spring lift is losing tension now. Now I can be able to move it and be able to work with it to try to remove it. So I'm gonna try to remove it from one side and try to prank it with a little pre bar to see like if I can be able to remove it. All right, look, that's the way that I'm gonna do it. After you remove all those bolts and everything, so you're gonna have to really be careful, because I think that's really heavy. That's not a joke. Or like you can hurt yourself really bad. If you have another people to help you, use somebody else. But I was feel too confident to do myself. So as you guys do, remember, remove the bolts and start like pushing everything down and hit it anyways. You guys gonna have to replace it anyways. So you guys can hit it with a hammer. You can do whatever you want. So you're gonna throw it away, that thing. So like, I'm pushing with it pre bar, and let's see if they come up. And be patient, guys, because that's not easy to work in that thing. Yeah, it's kind of like have to be patient to do a good job. So it's almost coming up, so I think I have to push it like a little harder. So only like give me a hard time from one side, but that's the bushing that you got stuck in there because it's been there for a long time. But it's about to come up, little push and boom, vámonos. Yeah, now we come up. Now time to do some weight on it to remove it. You can push it from the front, or you can try to get it out from the back. So I take it out from the front because that was easy. And look at that, easy busy. Now time to put a new one. Yeah, that's exactly that to go. It came up. I'm gonna use this one right here. That's gonna be 19 millimeters. So I'm gonna use the impact to remove that one. And let's do it. So you remove this one right here. Put that aside because we want to transfer this one. We want to transfer here. So we're going to remove this one right here. Put this one aside. We're going to brush this one because they have a little rust. And we're going to put like anti-seize right here. Right there, and then we're gonna put it this one right here, and let's see right here. We're gonna put this one, but we don't gonna tie it up. We're gonna tie it up until the last minute. We're gonna put all the rest of the bolts, and after that we're gonna tie everything up. So you're gonna let this one loose, and then in the end we tie this one out. Okay. So watch, this one was broke. That's the noise that you was hearing it. Yeah, so if you guys hear like something like this, yeah, check your left. That's your left. Okay, guys. Yeah, let me get ready to put it back together again, and vámonos. All right, so let's put this one right here. Right there. This one right here, they have the head for the bolts right here, so they have to set right here. That's the one that hold it. Yeah, pretty much. And it goes like this. So we're gonna put this one right here. Now guys, first you guys gonna have to put it here. Sorry, I don't record it how I put it in. But what I did, so I grab it from here, put it right here from this side, and keep going this way. Put it first right here, and then don't worry about the other side over there, because this thing moves. That thing is gonna move. Okay? So don't worry about it. So worry about this side first, and then worry about the other side. Okay? Alright, so just align this one right here.
give it like a little love this thing, and you're gonna put the washer and the nut in the back. This do. You're gonna have to clean those rods right here. When you do that job, do almost like if that was gonna be for you, bro. No, don't freaking even touch the truck or the vehicle. I'm gonna put these things right here. Sure, show some blow to this baby. Put this thing away. And we're going to do the other side, okay? Let's do it. Hey. Let's do the other side right here. Yeah, so let's see. Hold on, guys, I don't see anything right here. So we're good. Yeah. So we're gonna put a nut right here in the back, the washer. Okay. So this one you can tighten it up. This one already. You're good. So remember, this one is still loose, okay? So I haven't tightened up that one at all. So now I can do it. Now we're good on this side, so we're gonna tighten up the other side, and then we're gonna pull the bolts. So this one is already done. This one too. So we're gonna tie the other side, and then we're gonna put the U bolts. Okay. Let's go. Oh, let me get my impact. So let's do this one, guys. No, easy. Everything does this in this life. Easy, easy. Now we're gonna put a 9 to the I'm gonna give you guys a shot of this. This one does the brand new that I ordered too. I ordered this one, and I ordered the half an inch. This one's right here. So this one does half an inch times 18, and I ordered 4 of them, 2 for each side. Okay, so this one goes right here. And I ordered these ones too as well. So like I'm gonna put everything, so I'll make sure put everything brand new. Okay. So let's do it. Okay, for this one we're gonna a 19. socket, and we're gonna need this thing. Then another thing we're gonna need, that's gonna be this one, remember? This one right here. So this one goes right here, and the other one is gonna be right here, that the U-bolts. So, and this one right here is gonna be right here where the bolt is. So I'm gonna put this one right here. Right there. And then I'm gonna put the first U-bolt right here. And then I'm gonna put the other one right here. So that's the two of them. And then I'm gonna use the base that I'm using it here to record it, guys. Sorry. Right there. So we're gonna need this one. This one, remember, always in your if you face into the camera like this, so you grab this thing right here. They have a stud right here. That one, it go to the inside, okay? So what you're gonna do first, put your E-clamp right here. You're gonna put your other E-clamp right here. You're gonna go out, and I'm gonna grab it from here, and I'm gonna use the new washers and the new nuts, okay? Do by hand first, and then you do whatever you have to do. And that's 4 of them, okay? You got 2 more right here. Another one right here. Okay. So if you started, now you can use your impact to accelerate the process. And make sure you go equally, okay? Right here. And now we start tighten these things up. Okay, so you leave it like that for now, and we're gonna put a jack right now, so that way we can be able to remove the jack, and we're gonna go up. So we're gonna jack it up. Remember, this one that was 17 millimeters.
Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, go. I'm gonna have my employee to do the jacking. One more. Keep going. More. 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 Good. And let me see. This one has to go right here. Align this one. You put your washer. Put this one right here. I'm gonna show you guys my setup right now, what I did. So I'm gonna grab this one right here. I'm gonna use this one right here. We're good. So now this one is up. So let me try to finish the other ones. Just going to miss this one right here. This one right here. This one right here. So and you're good. Now this one is done. And the only one we're gonna miss, just to put these bolts right here, these brackets, and we're gonna put it right now. All right, so now we're gonna put these brackets. This bracket goes right here. Oops. This one right here. That one goes right here. Right there. This one does the other one. So I put this one right here. I tightened up the bolt right here. So tightened up this one. Tightened up the other ones right here. Tightened up these ones right here as well. The one right here. The one in the bottom. Everything that's good. Now that's time to lift it, put the tires, and you're good. Ready to go. Remember, we put this one too as well. This one that's for the shock. Remove the shock, the bolt in the bottom, and remove the rest of the things, and you'll be fine. You can change it in your house. It's a job for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Take me a long time because I'm recording. That's what happened. But yeah, it would take it like 30 minutes to do, like an hour to do this job. Okay? So if you have any questions, please leave a message and subscribe. Don't be lazy, push the button. All right? Love you guys.